Hello friends, in last lecture we have discussed on nomenclature of alcohols. Now today we will see the nomenclature of phenols. The hydroxyl derivative of benzene is called as a phenol. The IUPAC name of phenol is benzenol and the name phenol is also accepted by IUPAC. In case of common name systems, for the substituted phenols, the common name have prefixes like ortho, meta, and para. But in case of IUPAC systems, uses the locant 2, 3, 4, etc. to indicate the position of the substituents. We'll see some examples. In first examples, here it is a monosubstituted benzene, monohydroxyl benzene. The common name of the compound is phenol. The IUPAC name of this compound is benzenol or also phenol. In case of second example, that is a disubstituted benzene, in which one substituent is hydroxyl groups and another is methyl groups. The common name of the compound is O-cresol. O for ortho. 1, 2 position is a ortho position. The IUPAC nomenclature of this compound is the numbering is start from the carbon which is attached to the hydroxyl groups is always 1. That means this carbon is the number of this carbon is 1. According to Loess-Lokan rule, numbering from this end 1, 2. Here at the second carbon methyl group is attached. So name of the compound is 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. Next example, the nitro group is attached here and hydroxyl group is attached here for benzene ring. The common name is para-nitrophenol. 1,4 position is a para position. In last example, 1,2 method like this. 1,2 position is a ortho position, 1,3 position is a meta position, and 1,4 position is a para position. Therefore, we will use a P, para nitrophenol. The IUPAC nomenclature of this compound is numbering from this end or this end similar 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is 4-nitrophenol. The name of the compound is 4-nitrophenol. Then in next example, that is a dihydric phenol. The name of the common name of the compound is catechol. In case of these dihydric or trihydric phenols, write down the name of the ring, that is benzene. First name of the ring benzene, then numbering 1 and 2. This locant is substituted here benzene 1, 2. There are 2 hydroxyl groups, therefore use word di, and for hydroxyl group OL, benzene 1, 2 diol. In next example, the common name of the compound is resorcinol. The hydroxyl group is attached to 1, 3 position, meta position. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the compound is, write down the benzene, then numbering hydroxyl group 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, hydroxyl group is at 1 and 3 position. Therefore, write down locant 1, 3. There are 2 hydroxyl groups, so word di is used, and for hydroxyl group OL, benzene 1, 3 diol. Next example 6. It is also diol, hydroquinone. Common name of the compound is hydroquinone. IUPAC nomenclature. The hydroxyl group is attached to the para positions, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Write down the name of the ring benzene, and the locand is 1,4-diol. Now next example, it is an example of triol. 3 hydroxyl groups attached to the benzene ring. The common name of the compound is fluoroglucinol, and IUPAC name is similar, benzene. नंबरिंग कुठूनही केला आपण तरीही सेम येणार आहे, म्हणून 1 2 3 4 अँड 5. 1 3 5. राईट डाऊन द लोकंड्स. 1 3 5. देर आर 3 substituents, so word use try for hydroxyl group OL. Benzene 1 3 5 triol. Same another example which having also 3 hydroxyl groups, that is pyrogalol. Common name of the compound is pyrogalol. The IUPAC nomenclature of this compound is same. Write down first benzene, then numbering from this carbon or this carbon, 1 2 3. These locands are substituted here, 1 2 3. There are 3, therefore use try and OL. And the last example, this is a different example. 2 ethyl groups attached to the hydroxyl groups. तर अशा कंडिशनमध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की लोएस्ट लोकंड रूल अप्लाय करायचा आहे. बघा या ठिकाणी जर आपण नंबरिंग केलं तर 2 पद्धतीने होऊ शकतात, 1 2 3 4 5 अँड 6. तर कुठं कुठं सबस्टिट्यूट आहेत 1 2 आणि 5ला, 1 2 अँड 5. समजा ही नंबरिंग आपण इकडून केली 1 2 3 4 5 6, तर नंबर कुठला आहे 1 3 6. लोएस्ट नंबर कुठला आहे हा, म्हणजे प्रॉपर नंबरिंग तुमची ही आहे. या नंबरिंगनुसार तुम्हाला फक्त लिहायचं आहे ते सबस्टिट्युएंट्सचं नाव आणि त्याचा लोकंड. दुसऱ्या सबस्टिट्युएंटला तुम्हाला इथाइल ग्रुप आहे म्हणून 2 लिहा. त्याच्यानंतर 5व्या कार्बनला परत सबस्टिट्युएंट जो आहे दुसरा तो सेम आहे म्हणून त्याचा लोकंड लिहा. 2 5 2 आहेत म्हणून डाय, आणि तो सबस्टिट्युएंट जो आहे त्याचं नाव आहे इथाइल ग्रुप म्हणून डाय इथाइल, आणि जो कंपाऊंड पूर्ण आहे तो आहे तुमचा फेनॉल. ओके.